Hi, sir.
Hi,
It's a pleasure having you here.
thank you very much.
So, sir, does this award matters for you, like you and for your company?
Oh, it's a great recognition. I believe anytime we are rewarding new technologies and startups, entrepreneurs in India, I think it's a great initiative and a step in the right direction. We should be celebrating more and more technology and more startups in the country. So that's a great thing.
So, where do you foresee the future of Web3 going in India?
Why only in India? So Web3 has been getting a great adoption globally. Like every technology, there are stages of adoption. At first, some new technologies introduced, some smaller use cases are there, and then you eventually grow to bigger use cases. So you would see that Web3 now combined with so at Vossle what we are doing is we are combining the powers of artificial intelligence with Web3 and augmented reality. With all of this, the adoption that you would see is across various industries. So it could be your marketing based use cases for FMCG companies and other advertisers, or it could be your BFSI, banking and finance sector implementations of Web3, or it could be your supply chain based examples as well. So adoption has been taking up really well.
You talked about adoption. So, in India, in India or in general, early age groups, youngsters, more particularly youngsters, are early adopters of advanced technologies.
Correct.
So, what is your take on onboarding the older age groups? What are the strategies the brands are like incorporating and all?
That's a great question. It is high time people start talking about the older generation as well, about their technology adoptions. And like every newer technology, it happened with social media as well. When social media started, the first adoptions would have been with very young audience, right? Then you would have technologies like artificial intelligence. The first, when the artificial intelligence came on the scene, the first adopters were again youngsters. But eventually, you would see that as and how things progress, they're taken up by all age groups as well. Also because there are a lot of implementations in the enterprise space, and you would see that the senior level management of any enterprise has people of the higher age levels as well. So the adoptions keep on increasing with that.
Alright. So, and when we talk about the marketing strategies, then today what brands are doing are they are going for omni-channel strategies and all. So how do you foresee how the data which the brands today have will be syncing with the data in Web3?
Yeah. So, see, first of all, you mentioned a very good thing, omni-channel. And when things are going omni-channel, you would see that a lot of D2C startups are coming in. A lot of bigger brands who are the global behemoths of any, let's say, FMCG sector, they're all adopting Web3 and AI and augmented reality. Why? Because when you are omni-channel, you have to target customers and make them engage from across different interaction points. So if you have your own website, which is searchable through Google, and you bring people on your website, you want to have them stick around. Now you're not selling on an Amazon or a Flipkart, you're selling through your own website. You want people to stick around. So what you do, you implement artificial intelligence based augmented reality on your website. Now when people come there, they stick around on your website, and that essentially generates a lot of data points for you, and it generates a lot of user stickiness for the company as well. Now all that data can be then taken up on a Web3 distribution ledger, and that gives it a lot of scalability as well as a lot of security too. So Web3 essentially is solving a lot of data security problems as well.